In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Zoom meeting and invite others. Zoom has become an essential tool for connecting with colleagues, friends, and family from the comfort of your home or office, and by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to host your own virtual gatherings with ease. First, let's start by opening your Zoom application on your computer or mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the Zoom website or your device's app store and follow the instructions to get it set up. Once you have Zoom open, sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's a simple process that involves entering your email and creating a password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Now, look for the Schedule a Meeting button. This is usually labeled clearly on the home page and might be found as an icon of a calendar. Click it, and you'll be presented with a form to fill out. Start by giving your meeting a topic. This could be anything from weekly check-in to birthday party, depending on the occasion. Providing a clear title helps attendees understand the purpose of the meeting. Next, choose the date and time for your meeting. Ensure you have the correct time zone selected, which is a critical step especially if you're inviting people from different regions. Set the duration of the meeting. Remember, if you're using a free Zoom account, meetings are capped at 40 minutes for group calls. Now, let's talk about meeting options. You have the choice to require a meeting password for added security. If you decide to use this feature, be sure to share the password with your participants. You can also decide if participants can join at any time or if you prefer they wait until the host, that is, you, has started the meeting. Once you have everything set up to your liking, it's time to invite others. After saving your meeting settings, you'll see an option to copy the invitation. Click this, and it will save a block of text to your clipboard. This invitation includes the meeting link, the ID, and any passcode if you've set one up. Paste this information into an email or a messaging app to send to your invitees. Make sure to let them know the date and time of the meeting so they can mark their calendars. Finally, when it's time for the meeting, go back to your Zoom app, click on Meetings to see your scheduled ones, and select Start on the meeting you wish to begin. As participants join, you'll see them appear in the waiting room if you enable that feature, which allows you to admit them into the meeting. That's all there is to it. Setting up a Zoom meeting and inviting others is straightforward once you know how. Make sure to explore additional options within Zoom for a more tailored meeting experience. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!